This is a spacious villa constructed over 3 floors and located right here in Cerros del Águila, Mijas. Let me show you what's inside. Standing in the entrance hall, we have very high ceilings and we have access to a guest bathroom. And we also have access to the living room. Come on inside. Plenty of space to entertain guests or have cozy evenings with your family. And the best thing, come on over. Look at this terrace. Continuing on from the living room, we can enter the kitchen. The kitchen is also very bright and spacious, and you can enter the same terrace as the one that's connected to the living room. At the other end of the kitchen, we have a utility room with plenty of space. And then on the same floor, we actually have access to the large garage. Now, we can either go upstairs or we can go downstairs. Let's, however, start upstairs where we have the rooftop terrace. After you. The rooftop terrace also gives you plenty of views of the mountains and the campo as well. And you can also go over here in the corner, where you have views of the sea and the city, and sometimes even Sierra Nevada with snow on the top. Let's go back inside. So now we're standing downstairs where you can either go into this bedroom, this bedroom, this bedroom, or this bedroom. Let's have a look. Now this bedroom, when you come in, you can see it has plenty of wardrobe space. And as the other bedrooms, we also have an ensuite bathroom, and this bedroom also has access to a terrace. The bedroom in here offers also that access to the same terrace and an ensuite bathroom. And the final bedroom also have an ensuite bathroom. But if you thought we were finished, you're very wrong. Let's go outside and see what's downstairs. So, not only do you have the 2 terraces we've already seen, but you also get this massive terrace where you not only have your own private pool, but you also have this incredible space in here, offering a large lounge area, a very modern kitchen, and a toilet and a shower. So now we've seen everything, and this villa has actually just been reduced in price. So now it is on the market for €1,250,000. And if you'd like to see more, then contact us at Carlsberg Estate.